It's simple to see why scrambling a number that is divisible by 4 will not necessarily give us another number that's divisible by 4. That's because we're observing the last two digits. If the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then we'll know that the whole number is. But if we scramble a number that looks like this, that's got a 5 in it, and that 5 happens to land, for example, as the last number, like here, 85 is not divisible by 4, so the whole number is not. Now on to our question. So for a number that is divisible by 3, scrambling it, will that produce another number that's divisible by 3? Well, what's the rule for checking if a number is divisible by 3? We add all the digits together. So say we have digits A, say a number looks like this. Say that all these letters represent different digits. So we have A, B, C, D, E. That's a number. So in order to find out if it's divisible by 3, we're going to add those together. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. And we find out that we get some number, let's call it X, and X is divisible by 3. Now, if I rearrange these numbers into a different order, say B plus D plus E plus A plus C, I will get the same number. That's because in terms of addition, no matter what order I add any set of numbers in, I will get the same answer. So yes, if I scramble the digits of a number divisible by 3, that number will also be divisible by 3. What about something that is divisible by 5? Well, what's the rule for finding out if a number is divisible by 5? The last digit has to be 0 or 5. So if I have some number, say 485, and I scramble these digits into 854. Well, 4 is not divisible by 5. The last digit is 4, not 0 or 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. It does not work in this case. What about a number that is divisible by 9? Well, the rule for 9s is the same as the rule for 3s. So once again, all we're doing is adding all the digits together, and it doesn't matter which order we add them in. So scrambling the digits of a number divisible by 9 will give us another number that's divisible by 9. Notice, what's the difference between A, B, and C? In A and C, the rule is adding all the digits together, whereas for B, for the 5s, we are specifically observing certain digits, specifically the last digit, which is why scrambling it would not yield another number divisible by 5 necessarily if we end up with a different number at the end.